Aloha, my name is Dr. Mari, and I'm the naturopathic physician here at the Train Modification program in Hawaii on Dr. Cassar's ESP Hawaii Organic Farms. I wanted to talk a little bit today about IV therapy. This is a very exciting new therapy that's coming to the forefront of medicine right now because of some of the advantages it gives us in both preventing and treating acute and chronic diseases and illnesses. Here at the Train Modification program, we use it in combination with fasting and detoxification in order to help speed the process and support our detoxification, and also to make it as comfortable as possible for people while they're staying here and detoxifying with us. So there are three main reasons that make IV therapy beneficial over just taking supplements by mouth, and also the safety of giving nutrients this way. So the first is that we are able to skip the digestive tract completely and go directly into the blood. So this means that we're not relying on the digestive power of an individual to get the nutrients into the system. When you take, let's say, a vitamin like vitamin C, let's use vitamin C as our example. When you take vitamin C orally, based on the digestive power in your stomach and intestines, only a certain percentage of that is actually going to make it into your blood. And also, you have to think about how much your digestive juices and acids are affecting the actual chemical composition of your vitamin C that you're taking orally. So only a very small percentage of what you take is actually going to get into your blood system. So it's nice this way, especially for people who have a lot of digestive issues or their absorption is not as good for some reason, which many of us, even if you don't notice your digestive complaints, we are not able to digest as much as we think we're getting, especially when we're taking pills that are not as bioavailable, or especially when you get those multivitamins that are ground up and then compacted together. You can't get any of that nutrition when you take it orally because you're just not able to break down this really compacted pill. Even though, the label on the bottle says it has all these vitamins, oh yeah, it's like an all-in-one, great. But how much of it can you actually use that way? Not very much at all, if any, especially with those compacted pills. Capsules are always better with powders inside because those are much more easily digestible. In any case, back on track, that's the number one reason, is that you get to skip the digestive tract completely, so you're able to get the nutrients directly into the blood system where they can be utilized right away. So you also don't have that delay time where you have to wait for digestion to happen. You get the results quickly and easily directly into the blood. So secondly, as I said, we get to skip the digestive tract. We also get to skip over a lot of digestive issues that you would have in taking high doses of vitamins, such as nausea, upset stomach, diarrhea, all of these symptoms that can occur. I'm sure most of you, if you've ever taken a multivitamin on an empty stomach, you know the feeling when your stomach gets upset from taking that multivitamin with no food in there. And so you can skip all of that with IV nutrient therapy because obviously you're skipping the digestive tract and it's going right into the veins, which is very nice. The other thing about it, the third thing, which also relates back to the second reason why we do IV therapy, is that you're able to give much higher doses of these vitamins and minerals because you're skipping the digestive tract. So if we go back to this example of vitamin C, this is one where in order to use vitamin C therapeutically, let's say for cancer or for fighting viruses, you want to use really high doses of vitamin C, like in the grams. So usually we'll take maybe 500, 600, 800, maybe even 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C orally. And maybe 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C orally will give most people diarrhea or some kind of upset stomach, which is really common from vitamin C. Well, when we give vitamin C IV, we're able to give people 25 grams, not milligrams, but grams and up, without any digestive complaints and with all of the benefits of taking high-dose vitamin C. It's a really great antioxidant, it's cancer fighting, it's good for your collagen and elasticity of your skin. So we're able to get doses that just are impossible to take orally. So These are the main three reasons. One, because we're able to skip the digestive tract, so we're not relying on digestive power, and we're not having to wait for digestion to occur before we're getting these nutrients into the system. Two, because we're able to avoid side effects that you would have taking supplements and vitamins orally, such as nausea, upset stomach, diarrhea. And third, we're able to give much higher doses that are more clinically therapeutic than taking those same vitamins or minerals orally. So those are the three main reasons we use IV therapy, and the three main benefits of using IV therapy over taking things orally or any other way. So hopefully you learned a little something from this video. And again, my name is Dr. Mari with the Terrain Modification Academy in Hawaii. Thank you. Mahalo.
Important reminder: all information and ideas are for informational purposes only and are in no way intended as medical advice or as a substitute for medical counseling. Earthshift Products, Dr. Robert Cassar, all of their partners, affiliates, and subsidiaries will not be held accountable for the use or misuse of the information presented therein. This information is not intended as medical advice. The authors, publishers, and speakers of this work are not medical doctors and do not recommend the use of mineral-deficient foods, drugs, or medicines to achieve beauty and to alleviate health challenges. Because there is always some risk involved, all persons involved with the development and distribution of this information are not responsible for any adverse effects or consequences of any kind resulting from the use or misuse of any suggestions or procedures described on our website or Earthshift Live radio talk show or therein.